Wait, a piece is missing. Flip it. Ah! I got it. No! So, our incredible art department have made us a flat pack TARDIS. Now, we need to put this together in record speed as a team.
Team. I've got to say, this is the most fun I've had in the 10 months I've been doing this. This day has just been ace. I've had sweets thrown, I've lost everything. It's brilliant. But this is the thing that I think will be best at.
It's going to be timed. We've got 2 minutes. Right.
Yeah, ready?
Remember, teamwork makes the dream work.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go.
Oh, there's the door. There's an actual door. Thank God we checked. Oh, not doing very well. So base.
Base. That's... No, it's got to be that way, Annie.
I don't know.
Oh, no, it'll be that way.
That's it. Yeah, good. Oh my God, it's sticky. Oh God. Right, I'll hold. You grab. Right, you grab. I'll put them in place. Oh my God, it's harder than I thought. Got an hard job, babe. Huh? Have you got a hard job? No, this is really sticky.
Flip it.
No, that doesn't make sense.
No.
Okay, maybe that way. Maybe it's that way.
What?
Maybe it's that way.
Wait, it didn't fit. Huh?
Okay, yeah.
Wait, a piece is missing.
A piece is missing.
Right, put it at the bottom so it's not in the square there. You see there?
Oh, it's under my leg.
I'm here. Ah! Go, get the move. I love it.
I've got it.
Oh, no. Did we blow it together?
Wait. What was that? It was off in the air. That one flat.
Team wins.
Oh,